Hey, hello class. I'm just going to take a minute to cover the expectations of our calendar project that you will be doing next. This will be an individual project that is definitely personalized towards you, and I hope that you enjoy creating it. So regardless of whether you're in my second hour or my eighth hour, you will see that I'm using the second hour assignment, but they will look the same. You're going to open up the assignment called Calendar Project. And then under Calendar Project Instructions, you're going to figure out how do you start your document, how do you create it, how do you add all the elements that you need. And I will do a separate video that will go over a short demo for that. But what I want to start with is your expectations and showing you an example. So in this document, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a grading rubric. So in this grading rubric, it tells you everything that needs to be in this calendar. So this calendar is going to be 26 pages long. There'll be 2 pages for each month, a picture page, and then a dates page. You will also have a cover page and then a back page. So let's talk about what needs to go on each page. So on your picture page, you need to have at least 3 elements. So that means like 3 different pictures, or 2 shapes in a picture, or 2 pictures and a shape, or 3 shapes. You can have more than 3 elements, but if you have less than 3 elements, that will hurt your score. On your dates page, you need to make sure that all of your dates are correct. You need to make sure that you have at least one holiday or birthday or event. It doesn't have to be like Christmas is the holiday that you put down. You could put down your dog's birthday, or you could even make something up. I don't care, just so long as you have some text on your dates. And then your design. Your design needs to be repeating throughout all of your months so that you see some consistency in your design, which I will show you in a minute. You will also be graded on the setup, so making sure that you have 0.5 margins, that you actually used a master page, that you've done your grid lines, your dates, your weekdays, your month, and your design all the same, all consistently and all properly. Then the fact that your cover page will have your name on it and some kind of design. Your back cover will have a small logo that represents the theme of your post or your calendar. And then you also need to watch your spelling and your grammar. You need to have photos of some sort, whether that's only on the cover or whether you have it every single month. And then you're going to be graded just on originality, creativity, your design elements, like did you align everything? Does it look nice and clean? And did you use contrast with like your text? So overall, there are 100 points to be earned on this assignment. So it is a really big assignment. You can look at some of the examples, and actually I think I only provided one. If you go back, open up the calendar, this is one of the examples. So you'll see that the cover has the name of the family or the theme. It could be like Avengers calendar or whatever you want. And then it has a design on it and a color. On page 2 and 3, you'll notice page 2 has pictures of individual family. It has shapes. And then the month, we'll start to see a reoccurring theme as we're going through, and I will show you. So we have our month, our year, our days of the week up top, and then we have the correct actual date. And then on at least one of the dates, and they have more, there is an event, a birthday or holiday. You'll also notice that if you guys have a month where you run out of space, so say it starts on a Saturday like this one does, where you run out of space, you need to split those days. Now remember, the 23rd and the 30th are split because they're a week apart. You would not want to split the 29th and the 30th because that would mean that you had 2 Saturdays in a row. You need to make sure that you are putting the dates under the correct day of the week. So now we have our pictures again. The theme looks different because the month is different. They did a Valentine's Day theme. And now you have your dates. And you'll notice the theme is the exact same because they are using a master page, but the colors are different. So they still have the same blocking, they still have the same outline, but they've changed it from purple with a New Year's theme to red with a Valentine's Day theme. And as you go through, you will see St. Patrick's Day. Same theme, or March has St. Patrick's Day in it. Same theme, different colors, but all the same setup. So all they're doing is they're using the same master page, and then they are applying that master page and then putting in the differences, which I will show you guys in the demo video. So I want you to scroll through this, use this as an example. And then I'm just going to scroll down to the last page so that you can see a back cover. So on the back cover, you'll notice just really simple designs and then a small logo that represents the theme and then their name. It's not a challenging project, but it is time consuming. Also, there are two options. If you would like to do a calendar that has personal photos and no photos from the internet, I will print that off and have it bound for you and get them to Miss Williams so that you can have a printed copy. And it's yours to take home, it's yours to give out to somebody, it's yours to use for whatever you would like. If you don't want to use personal photos, you can use photos from the internet, but it cannot be printed off. So make sure that you let Mrs. Williams know if you would like a copy of your calendar printed so that she can tell me. But if you use any photos from the internet at all, even landscape photos, like if you went and Googled a sunset in Kansas and then used that photo, we can't print those. It has to be your original photos, and you can upload those from your phone. It's really easy to just plug your phone in, download your photos onto your computer from your phone, and then insert those photos into InDesign. So this is going to be your project for the next week. It is, again, not challenging, just time consuming. So please make sure that you watch the demo video, you follow all of the instructions, and rewatch the demo video multiple times if you need to, and then always come back and reference this example as well.